Hello, this is Pam with Pamshairexpo. I'm going to go ahead and show you the corkscrew tutorial. I've only seen one actually online, which I'm sort of surprised at that, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you. That way y'all can have 2 tutorial videos. But anyway, you can take a section like this right here. And you're going to take one of the threads. So what you're going to do is you're going to twist it up around at the base because you want to make the base nice and tight. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go down, but we're going to do it at an angle. Which is sort of similar to the barrel dreads. It's just that with the barrel dreads, you're doing it close together and you're not doing it at an angle. But with this, you're doing it at an angle. So once you run out of the dread, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up another dread and you're going to continue on. All the way down to the end, and of course what we're going to do is we're going to put a rubber band on the end. Up. Came loose. Trying to find the longest one. There we go. So I can get down here to the bottom. There we go. So we're going to put that rubber band on the end. Alright. And there you have it. You have the corkscrew dread. So you can see that it looks different from the barrel dread because it has the spaces that are in between them.